So how is replacement cost determined for your house? Insurance agents, we have these fun little tools where we put in the square footage and 2 stories and vinyl siding or brick or stone, and we add all the details of your house into an estimator, and it pops out a number. Now keep in mind, this is an estimator. It's an estimate on how much, based on the specs, we believe it'll cost to replace your house. Now, that being said, if something seems fishy, or if it seems too low, or maybe it seems too high, you have the right to talk to your agent. Give us a call and let's have a conversation about the replacement cost of your home to make sure that we're on the same page and to make sure that you're very comfortable that the number that's on the top of your declarations page, that coverage A, is a number that you feel very comfortable with. So that's how we come up with it. It's not an exact science, and never be afraid to ask questions, because at the end of the day, it's your policy that you're purchasing with your hard-earned money.